Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add segments to an object in 3ds Max. Now this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest one. So just basically select an object. For example, we have this box right here. Click on it. Now press 4, okay, on your keyboard. Again, 4. As you can see, it now redirects us to the modifier section. Select your box, and here you have it. Now we have the length segments, width segments, and height segments right here. You could also tick on real world map size. If not, you can leave it unticked. Now length segments, you can use this tool right here besides the number. Drag it to the top if you want to add in length, or drag it to the bottom if you want to remove some segments. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add in maybe 20, another 20 right here, 20 here as well. And we go ahead and check it out. Press D. As you can see here, it now got multiple segments. All right, that is it. That's how simple it is to add segments to an object here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.